Let's talk about filter function in this video. Filter function, as the name suggests, filter a range of data based on the criteria or conditions we define. For example, here this table is our range of data which will be filtered. We will filter the records where location is California. So California will be our criteria. And now it returned all rows where the location was California. You can consider filter as an advanced version of our lookup functions. If we apply lookup function on this range for California, it will return the first row where it finds California, while our filter function will return all rows where the location is California. So filter function can return multiple matches, unlike our lookup functions. It can take three parameters as input. The first one is the array we want to filter. The second one is the criteria on the basis of which filtering should happen. And the third parameter is an optional value which will get printed in case no match is found for our filtering criteria. Let's understand this more with few examples. So here we have a list of sales data with columns like product, region, employee and sales. And now we want to identify rows with the product ID 5. If we use VLOOKUP, XLOOKUP or index match, it will return only one row. Let's verify this using XLOOKUP function. We write XLOOKUP. This will be our lookup value. We will look it up in our product column and then we will select this entire range as our return array. If you are not well versed with VLOOKUP, XLOOKUP or index match, you can watch my videos on them. I will drop a link to them in the description section. So even though we had multiple rows for product 5, XLOOKUP only returned the first match. What can we do if we want to return all matching values? Well, here comes the filter function to save us. Let's delete this XLOOKUP formula and write our filter function. We will select the entire range because we want to return all columns and matching rows. For the second parameter, we need to compare our product column with this cell. So we will select the product column and we write equals to this cell. And finally, we write no matching output found as our third optional parameter. And we have all the rows with product 5. If we change product 5 to something else, our result set would update accordingly. If we change the product value, the rows are changing accordingly. Now let's spice it up a little. What if we want to display rows with multiple criterias? That is, product name should be product 3 and region should be south. We can do that using filter function. The first and third parameter will remain the same. For the second parameter, we will have to add another condition to check that the region should be south. Whenever we are dealing with multiple conditions, we have to separate them by brackets. So we will specify our brackets, and since we want AND condition, we will use multiplication sign and then we will write our other condition in the brackets. We will select the region column and after equal to sign, we will select this cell. And now we are only getting the product 3 which were sold in the south region. A quick reminder, for AND conditions, we use the multiplication sign, and for OR conditions, we use plus sign. For example, if we want to show transactions where the product is product 3 or product 9, we can change our formula. We can replace star with plus, and now since we want to reference product instead of region, we can change from column D to column C. Column D is for region and column C is for product. And we will replace K3 to L2 because we want to select this cell value. And now we are getting rows for both product 3 and product 9. What if we want to add one more condition to this? The employee who handled these sales should be Ron. So the product can be 3 or 9, but the employee should be Ron. For this, we will add an AND condition. Since product can be either 3 or 9, we will enclose this condition in a separate bracket, and then we will write our condition to filter details for Ron. We will write multiplication sign, bracket open, we will select the employee as range, and then we will select value from this cell. Right now we are getting no matching output found, but when we select Ron, we will get our desired result. Can we add another check to show only those records where price is less than 90? Yes, this function allows data to be filtered on numbers as well. Let's write star, open our brackets, select the price range, and then we will write less than sign followed by 50. And now we are getting records where product is either 3 or 9, which were facilitated by Ron, and the price was less than 50. How cool is that? Let's do a quick recap. Filter is an advanced lookup function which allows you to return multiple matching values. We will combine this with other dynamic array functions to solve some real world problems in future videos.